Hey everybody! For this first lesson, I'm going to teach you how to groove. This step is about getting comfortable with yourself and feeling the music, which is very important in hip hop. Here's what it looks like. Lucky for you, there's no wrong way to do this, so stay relaxed and let's get to it. Hip hop is all about musicality and using your body to interpret the music. Grooving is a great way to practice this and also ties into many styles of hip hop. Grooving is all about feeling the music, so we are just going to play some music and I want you to start moving your body. Ready? It's really important to stay relaxed and enjoy yourself. Move to the beat of the music. You can clap, you can snap, anything you're feeling in the moment. Get into your knees a little bit. Remember, there is no wrong way to do this. Let's try it again. Are you ready? Let's just groove for a couple more counts of 8. Awesome. You just learned how to groove. You'll be using this a lot in the future, so don't forget it and remember to practice.